Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. Some users are currently facing an email verification problem on Upscrolled. They do not receive the verification code even after trying multiple times. If you are facing the same issue, do not worry. I will show you exactly how to fix it. First, open Chrome on your phone. In the search bar, type Upscrolled email verification problem. Now open the first official website result that says issues with email verification code. On this page, Upscrolled clearly explains the most common reasons for this problem. The first thing you must check is your spam or junk folder. In most cases, the verification email goes to spam. This is the main reason why many users fail to verify their email. If you are using Proton Mail, there is something important you need to know. Proton Mail requires account verification using another email and a phone number. If your Proton account is not fully verified, Proton may block transactional emails. This includes verification emails from Upscrolled. To fix this, update your Proton Mail account settings or contact Proton support. If you are using MailFence, some users have reported email blocking issues. MailFence may block emails from hello@upscrolled.com. In this case, you need to contact MailFence support directly. Tell them that you are not receiving emails from hello@upscrolled.com. They can whitelist the address for you. After fixing these issues, go back to the Upscrolled app. Request the verification email again. You should now receive the code without any problem. That is how you fix the Upscrolled email verification problem. If this video helped you, like the video. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more Upscrolled fixes and app tutorials.